Greetings from Delhi. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the managing director of TaiyangNews, all about solar. And I'm today at the investors reception of Vivid Green Energy. And I'm happy to talk to the founder and CEO, Avi Mittal. Good evening, Avi.
Good evening, Michael.
Very exciting event. I think your company is a rising new star, actually, on the Indian solar energy and energy horizon. Just tell us a little bit why this investors reception took place here today, and what have you announced?
So basically today we have announced our upcoming 1.2 gigawatt of solar cell manufacturing. We're currently, next month we'll be opening our 200 megawatt module line, expanding into 600 megawatt over the next 2 quarters. So we're basically trying to create an end-to-end complete solution for renewable energy here in India.
Cool. So what's special about your company? I think we just came back from REI, which just ended, and it was such a rush, such an excitement, so many companies trying to profit from this boom in the solar sector in India. So how do you want to position yourselves, and how do you want to compete with all these guys?
There's the company. I'm basically a blue-collar guy today in a suit. We've been into manufacturing since 20 years, so that's the difference with us. Vivid Electromech, with our LTHT electrical panels, we have 3 different factories of that and been pioneers in that in India. So now it was a natural fit for us to go into the renewable energy space, and definitely with the cutting-edge technologies, the tie-ups, the partnerships with Chinese corporations, with having the top consultants in India like RCT, where I think we're going to be a different company that will make its mark in the right way.
What's also interesting is starting actually now in the solar business or in the solar manufacturing side of the business, actually, you bring a very important asset in this equation.
So a very important asset that we are bringing in very soon into this equation, which nobody in India right now is talking about, is Silver Paste and Graphite. That's something which we are entering to, and very soon you will hear bigger announcements about that as well. That's how we will be a step aside from everyone.
Okay, wonderful. So you're just starting. How do you see yourself long-term in the Indian energy sector? There are bold targets, actually, and solar is for sure to stay and will be in the long run the leading energy source in India. Where is your company positioning itself?
We are positioning ourselves as a mid-level player, but we don't want to go into the big gigawatts as such. The reason why will be sustainable is because we are like an end-to-end where we're also buying PPAs. We're bidding for government tenders ourselves. So this will more or less will become more into self-consumption as well. That's where our target is. So we don't want to be out competing in the open market to anyone.
That sounds exciting. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.